Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's video, Hannah will be sharing 5 super cute nail art designs that are perfect for Valentine's Day. Let us know down in the comments which one of these 5 designs is your favorite. And now on to the tutorial.
Hi, it's Hannah. Let's get started on these designs. First, apply a base coat to your nails. The first design will be for some lips using white, red, and pink polish with white as the base color. Use a small brush or toothpick and create the upper lip first by applying the outline first, then making it fuller. Do the same with the lower lip. If you need to, grab a photo of some lip illustrations so it's easier to follow along. Now do the same thing with the pink polish and create a few more lip prints. Next, we have a half moon and hearts design using pink, purplish blue, and red polish with pink as the base color. I actually started off with a lighter pink base but changed it after to a brighter pink, which you'll see later on. Now draw a curve with the blue at the base of the nail, then fill it in for the half moon. Use the red to outline the hearts, then fill them in. Apply 2 more hearts, making each one a little smaller than the previous one. This sort of reminds me of a cute shirt with heart buttons or a necklace. And as you can see, I changed the base to a brighter pink since I wanted it to match better, so just ignore the lighter pink color in the next few clips. So now I'll be showing you how to do a heart balloon design using white, pink, red, and black polish with white as the base color. Use the red to outline the heart shape, then apply sort of a half triangle shape at the bottom of the balloon. Now fill it in. Do the same thing with the pink polish. With the black, draw a small line across the bottom, then make a curvy line for the balloon string. Next, we have a negative space heart design using white and red polish. Use the red to make a pointed French tip. Outline the heart shape, then fill it in. Use the white polish to line the heart and tip area. And last but not least, I'll be doing a Cupid's bow design using purplish blue, red, and black polish with the blue as the base color. Now draw a black line going down the middle of the nail, then apply 4 smaller lines at the top. Use the red polish to create a heart at the other side of the bow. Finally, apply a fast drying top coat to help protect your design and add a beautiful shine. So that's it for this video. If you'd like to see more videos on CutePolish, click these boxes and click this circle to subscribe to CutePolish for a new video every Monday. If you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, click this circle here. Thanks for watching!